How to keep quiet mode on Instagram. So here I'll detail how you can turn on or keep the quiet mode on your Instagram account. So but before we proceed, you need to know that the quiet mode is location dependent. So you may follow through this video and find out that you don't have the quiet mode feature on your Instagram account. But if you have the quiet mode feature available for you in your location, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn it on or keep the quiet mode. So for none of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to keep quiet mode on Instagram, all you just need to is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be Android and this could be on iPhone. Once you open it, click on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your Instagram profile. On your Instagram profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, once you click on the menu icon at the top right, you'll see the settings and activity page opened. Once the settings and activity page opened, come to how you use Instagram. Once you scroll down a bit, then tap location underneath. Under location, locate quiet mode. Then if you have the quiet mode feature available here, just go ahead and locate the quiet mode. Then once you find the quiet mode, just toggle on the quiet mode feature just like this. And once toggled on, then you should see the quiet mode turned on. In this case, I don't have the quiet mode on my Instagram because of my location. So if you're in the US, UK, or Canada, you should have the quiet mode available for you. So once you have the quiet mode under notifications, just go ahead and turn it on, and this is going to turn on the quiet mode. Once you see this page, the quiet mode will be set available until you go ahead and then disable the quiet mode. So I just use the pause mode on how you can easily disable or keep quiet mode on Instagram. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.